Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your ECU on a 2019 Kia Forte. For whatever reason, if you come to the diagnosis that you need to replace your ECU, a good way is to remove your battery because it gives you space here. We've got 2 bolts right here to remove, 1 bolt right here, and then that way we can pull this down and be able to get the 4 bolts that hold the ECU in. These clamps, you just push the little tab, pull to release, and then just same one on this one. And then those up and out of the way. We got one little clip over here, just kind of squeeze together. So that everything zip out of the way. Size 10 millimeter. With those 3 bolts removed, then we can just pull the whole ECU unit out. And then if it's just this piece here, just undo these 4 bolts, which are nuts, which are 10 millimeter, to remove it from the plate. And then you put your new one on, tighten those all up, and then you can slip it back in and tighten these 3 bolts back up. Make sure that everything lines up there in place. Tighten the 3 bolts up, and then the next one is you just put these clamps on, and then as you put them on and pull this lever down, it pulls them down into connection, and make sure that the safety lock connects on there so that when you're driving down the road it's not able to vibrate off, and then you're dead on the side of the road. And then put that clamp back down and put your you can just put your battery back in when you're all done. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.